y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 53. And I made this beautiful blanket. This was just a cheap, like $5 blanket from Ikea, and then I put the Glitter Flex Ultra in Light on gold on it, and look how stunning it looks. That is definitely an elegant Christmas design. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll show you how we put this together. Okie dokie. So as you can see, I have, so as you can see, I'm laying out my blanket with my seams on the bottom edge matched up, and this blanket was from Ikea. It is the, so as you can see, I have my blanket laid out and I have it centered across my Steady Betty, so when I take and place it on here, so I have my blanket all laid out and I have it centered on my Steady Betty, folded over so that way we can put it long ways on this blanket. And this is a girly blanket from Ikea. I think it was like $4 or $5. I bought it a while ago. And we've got our vinyl cut, which is the Specialty Materials Glitter Flex Light. So we're laying that out. Look how pretty that looks together. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it with our Teflon sheet. And we're going to press this in 4 sections because it is a rather large design. It is 11.5 inches by about 18 inches. So there we go. But if you have like that white and gold theme for your Christmas, or know someone who does, this is such an elegant, elegant look. It truly is stunning. And I'm sorry if the air conditioner is bothering anybody because it's hot. It is 78 degrees today, so I have to have my AC going. And last but not least, and this is made out of, I think this is polyester. I could be wrong. So there we go. Oh, got to get that corner just a little bit better. But we can start peeling from this side because we're going to repress anyway. Okay, so if you do have vinyl when you're doing these projects that lifts on you like that, what we're going to go ahead and do is lay those back down flat where they're going to go, cover with a Teflon sheet, and we're going to start with this corner, and we're going to press again for 15 seconds. There we go. But as I said, it is such a large design, I didn't overlap well enough. And you could easily do this on a heat press. You don't have to have an easy press to do this, or you could do this with a hand iron. I just like my easy press for these projects. And as you can see, I'm going back and reheating everything. That's just to make sure everything's on there nice. Now remember, tonight starts our Black Friday sale, which is 30% off of everything. No code needed. And also, if you're within the first 100 people who place a $100 order, you will get a vinyl pack, which they are so neat. There's a lot of different vinyls in it to try, so you'll be excited to get that one. Now remember, last year they sold out within 5 minutes. But you can have your cart ready to go before you, look how pretty that looks, before midnight, and it starts at midnight Central Standard Time. So, which is like 10 p.m. Pacific Time and 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So double check your time zones to make sure you're ordering. Because once they're ordered, there are so many, it's not something we can go back and change. Now, if you'll give me a minute to change the camera angle, we'll go over everything we just did. I almost forgot to wish y'all a happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. I'm pre-filming because this is holiday week, so it's a little crazy. Now remember, the Black Friday sale starts tonight at midnight Central Standard Time. You will save 30% off of your entire order, online and in store. In store on Black Friday morning, we open it up at 9, and if you're one of the first 40 people in the door, you get a free gift. But if you spend $100 or more after discount online, the first 100 online and in store will get a free vinyl goodie bag. Now, don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all tomorrow, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bye.